Vehicle in Bay 1.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down over things. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart, wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I want to. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find something new. Now this shit wasn't good. My mind's made up in two.
Easy does it. Hold it right there.
Lower it down, nice and slow.
Things can be true.
Check the frame rails for stress.
Wanna throw away your entertain. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight.
Every component is carefully cataloged.
Wanna pick this thing up right. We left off on rocket. One last time. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna
Look at that. Ultrasonic cleaning really.
Inside the chamber, the past meets precision. Years of rust vanish instantly.
what's killing me most is knowing.
Primed panels move through the curing tunnel. Technicians monitor the automated system. Precise thermal.
What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Two things can be true. Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home. Wanna lay down. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger.
Restoring a 1901 Mercedes requires absolute precision. Every crack is meticulously reinforced.
Every single fastener is meticulously cataloged before undergoing automated ultrasonic cleaning.
What's killing me the most is knowing.
Restoring a 1901 Mercedes engine requires absolute precision. Every single micron.
Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe off slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right. But we left off one block away. One last time, make it another. Wish I was one of the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna
Oil pressure is holding steady.
my mind's made up of you. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true.
Aligning the main gear now. Torque it to spec.
If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. As soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new.
Bring it down 2 millimeters. Locked into position.
What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Two things can be true. Two things can be true.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the left. Technicians connect the final lines. This 1901 Mercedes is almost ready.
What's killing me the most is knowing you can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight.
Flawless. A masterpiece restored.